What's up guys, my name is Edward Song and today I wanted to do a review on Territory, the meal prep service, because one, I'm on keto, and two, I just wanted to see what type of options they provide and the quality and the taste of it. So I just wanted to show you guys the box that I did receive it in, and I got 4 meals for $1.80 because I used a promo code. It was $50 off, and then I just chose 4 meals because I just wanted to try it, and they only had 2 options, which only restricted me to get only 2 meals basically. So anyway, let me just show you the inside of the box. So basically it's pretty well packaged. So I got one of the options I did get was the zesty buffalo chicken, and the other one was the pesto tuna cakes with creamy coleslaw, keto. As for the zesty buffalo chicken salad with mixed greens, it has 916 calories, which is pretty significantly high. If you're doing 2 meals a day and you're doing keto with intermittent fasting, which would be pretty good in terms of this type of meal, with 77 grams of fat, 10 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, which has 7 grams of net carbs. That's a pretty good ratio with 35 grams of protein. I would want slightly more protein, and decrease a little bit of fat, but it wouldn't be too bad if you're doing 2 meals a day. For the pesto tuna cakes with creamy coleslaw, it has 669 calories and 53 fats, 22 carbs, 8 fiber, and then which comes out to be a net carb of 14, and then the protein is 32. As for this, the carb is slightly higher than what I would want it to be, but it's not too bad. So to be honest, I don't disagree with both of these on keto. The only downside about Territory is that they change their meals every single time. So if you do like the ingredients, you most likely won't see that packaging the following week. But it keeps you continuously not bored of what you're eating. I personally don't like tuna cakes, so I would have gotten more buffalo chicken. But let me just try buffalo chicken and see whether or not I will even like it. So as you can see, it's a pretty decent size chicken. It's like chicken salad basically with 2 sauces. I don't know what type of sauces these are. The celery sticks look like they're kind of frozen a little already still, and the mixed greens. As for the sauces, I'm a little picky in terms of what it tastes like, what it could do to this whole meal. So let me just, I don't know what sauce this is, but it's a little bit it's like a vinaigrette, very sour. I don't know if you guys like vinaigrette, you guys might enjoy this sauce. But yes, it's vinegar, I believe it's vinegar, salt, cayenne peppers, natural flavor, garlic powder. So I personally don't like vinegar, so I would not put this in this meal because it would just ruin my meal. It tastes like ketchup, mayonnaise, and a little bit of pepper mixed in together. This personally I wouldn't want. It's on the spicier side. As for the chicken, you can taste the mayonnaise. It's soft, the chicken's good. As for the greens with the chicken, the greens don't look like they went bad, which is a good thing, because sometimes when you do meal prep services, the greens might go bad over time. I know the expiration date's actually on, what is this? Oh, June 13th, 2019, which is, I believe, coming up. So the greens with the chicken taste really good. I'll probably finish this meal, not with the sauces most likely. So I don't know what the calories will come out to be. So that's kind of a downside, because I don't know what sauce this is, or what sauce that is, and how much calories and what the macros are for that. So I can't really cancel it out. But let me go back onto the tuna cakes. As for tuna, I personally don't like tuna, so it might be a biased opinion. So 2 tuna patties with this some type of sauce that looks similar to the zesty buffalo chicken, and then this coleslaw that I believe would the majority of the carbs that come out of it. So the coleslaw, I like the coleslaw. It tastes fresh actually. It doesn't taste too bad. It's mostly onions, carrots, and just shredded lettuce basically, or cabbage. And to be honest, this is pretty tasty. Yeah, I wouldn't mind eating that. There's good flavor to it. I can't really find the exact. Oh, as for the coleslaw, just cabbage, carrots, red onion, apple cider vinegar, mayo, and that's about it. As for this green sauce, I hope it's good, but after the other two sauces, I'm not pretty looking forward to it. It tastes like oil, just I guess mixing it around and then just dabbing it in. It just tastes like oil and like raw eggs put together. It has like no flavor at all. It's not pleasant. I wouldn't eat it. So let me just go into the tuna and let you guys know what the tuna tastes like. I personally don't like tuna, but this tuna is really good. It tastes like the chicken salad I just ate in terms of texture. It tastes like, or the texture is just like chicken salad, but I would say the taste is like a veggie burger. So when you guys eat veggie burgers, you can taste like the you can see the rice, you can see just I guess shredded up vegetables. This is what it's like. It's just tuna with like a lot of veggies just shredded together, and the taste is pretty pleasing. I personally would like to eat these two patties left over, maybe some of the coleslaw and the chicken and the green vegetables, but the sauces, I personally didn't like them. If you guys want to try Territory, I believe I will just put the promo code for $50 off in the description below. I got $50 off. I only paid $1.80 for 4 meals. You guys can try it out. I just chose keto because I'm on keto, but honestly, like 119 calories for this meal. I personally wouldn't eat the entire meal because I like to I guess spread out my meals within my time period. I know that some people might bash me on that, but I personally like to munch within the time frame that I do have to eat. Besides that, I'll probably, if they had macros just like the tuna, I would want it. The tuna with the coleslaw, the sauces they would need to improve on, but overall, I think it's worth it. This is a good service. They have promo codes all over the place, and just, you know, providing you the macros of like, you know, how much fiber there is, which is good, and it shows you the net carbs. The only thing is, I guess, fats are on the higher side for keto, but again, you should consume a lot of fat, or majority of your calories should be coming from fat anyway, but I think 77 grams of fat for the zesty chicken is a little too high. But overall, I hope you guys found this video very helpful and very informative. If you guys want, again, if you guys want the $50 off, just go to the link below, and then hopefully it will help you guys too.